Hello all, this is Shanmukha Priya from Excel Civils Academy. If you have cleared the UPSC Civil Services exams mains, congratulations. You are one step closer to achieving your dream of becoming a civil servant. As you all are already aware by now, the DAF or the detailed application form is not only an essential document, but it contains data which would project your overall personality to the interviewer. The questions that you might encounter in the interview would mostly depend on the information that you provide in the DAF. Apart from the information that you have entered in DAF-1, like the personal details, parental information, your educational qualifications, your employment details, the additional information that you would be entering in DAF-2 is the data or the information about your hobbies, about your service and cadre preferences, and also your home state. While mentioning your home state, please do enough research about the prevailing conditions in your home state. You might encounter questions about the historical, political and the prevailing socio-economic conditions in your home state. For example, let's say if your home state is Telangana, you might encounter questions about the flagship programs of the government that are being implemented currently. While mentioning service and cadre preferences, please make sure that you have done enough research and there is a strong reason behind choosing a particular preference. You would be encountering questions in the interview as to why the given preference. For example, let's say why have you chosen your home state as the first preference or the zone as the first preference. You will definitely encounter questions as to why this preference. The same applies to the service allocations also, why a particular service has been chosen when compared to the other service. So the interviewer should believe that you have done enough research and a lot of effort has been put in choosing the mentioned preference. When it comes to mentioning your achievements during your school and college days or mentioning your hobby, my sincere request, please do not exaggerate or go overboard about mentioning your achievements, because you should be supporting those claims with a documentary evidence. For example, let's say you have participated in a fest during your college days and have secured a first place. You should be supporting that claim with a documentary evidence. Also, if it is a technical fest, you will definitely encounter questions about the technical aspects. When it comes to hobbies, let's say if you mention playing chess as a hobby, do make sure that you are keeping track of the current developments in that particular field. You know the technical aspects of the game and are well versed also. You need not be well versed, but you should be well versed with the rules and regulations of the game. Please avoid some common mistakes like spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, not uploading all the necessary documents or missing the deadline. Please be honest and do not make any false claims, because that would lead to disqualification or legal action. We at Excel Civils Academy congratulate you once again and we wish you all the best. Hope you come out of the interview with flying colors. Thank you.